Hello traders out there in Traderland, D7 here with Grok Trades Weekend Edition video, good through July 12, 2020. Markets ended the week on a bullish note, everybody up quite a bit, but what's really big is Russell's 2000, or I'm sorry, the financials up 3.4%, guys. But the Russell's 2000 up 1.6, leading the charge to the upside. That's really bullish to see that. Silver slightly higher, gold slightly lower. VIX at 27. VIX has been dropping down. Bitcoin still hovering around 9,200. All right, taking a look here at the S&P 500 chart, symmetrical triangle. And before we do, big mentorship, 3 days this weekend. Last chance, last chance, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday with Mark the Meerkat. If you want to get, let's see here. Let's go here. If you want to go to Trading Mentor right there. That's how you can be a part. Okay, talk about that. And here we are looking at the S&P 500, big symmetrical triangle. We're above the moving averages. We had a rally high. See this high base above the rising moving averages. Look for a breakout to the upside. This looks quite bullish. The Dow, the Dow symmetrical triangle, it's on the wrong side of it. That's more bearish, but it's a high base caught up in the moving averages. Needs to get over the 200-day moving average. That's that red line coming across there. We have to get over that, and we have a lot of trend lines here that we got to get over. NASDAQ is on fire. The last 2 weeks we've been going up, but we're smashing our head at resistance. The question is, Monday, Tuesday, will we head down? Are we at resistance? Will we have a big bearish week where we'll drop back down to this lower trend line? We could do that. We're at resistance. However, with the high base, we're looking at the S&P 500. I think we have a good chance of blasting through that resistance line. If so, that'd be really bullish. I mean, anytime you've got the NASDAQ hitting these new record highs, that's really impressive. The Russell's 2000 is a big bullish pennant. Let me show you something here. If I go here, draw a couple lines, I just want to make sure everybody can see exactly what it is that I'm seeing. Do you see that? If you draw the candlesticks, it looks a little sloppy. You see how I'm cutting off a wick there, a body there, I'm cutting off a couple bodies there. It doesn't look as tight, but this is the best trend line you could draw here. Big symmetrical triangle at the top of a big rally up. So this is a large bull pennant is what this is. Look for that to break out to the upside, but we're caught up in the moving averages. But relatively speaking, this is lagging the NASDAQ. So this is going sideways when the NASDAQ is going up. Financials, though, had a big bullish Friday, closing above the 20-day moving average on the daily chart. Let's see what happens. If we can get up to this trend line and blast through it on Monday or Tuesday, that will be really good to see. US dollar, look for a bounce anytime soon off of that. Silver is at a big time area of resistance. We hit our head at resistance. If we could build a base, we could blast through it, but this would be a good place to look to sell, perhaps to take some quick money. But this thing could still plow through this area. Gold is doing a little bull pullback. Look for a buy opportunity, guys, on gold. But in the big picture, it's a big rising wedge. Careful with that. VIX, we should have gone up Friday. We did not. We went down on Friday. That's great. It's a low base. I'm thinking that there's just not a lot of fear out there, guys. We're at 27. We're below 30. It's just not bad at all. Bitcoin is humming around here. I really thought this week we were going to get this massive breakout. Thursday we dropped. Friday we dropped, but we rallied back. So I still think that Bitcoin is something to, we could go somewhere. Okay, go somewhere. Let me just take a quick look here at Apple. Apple. See how Apple just keeps climbing higher? That's impressive. So impressive. So impressive. It's going nice. I mean, it just keeps going higher. Long as NASDAQ and Apple keeps tracking northbound, especially if Apple can stay above this trend line here, that's going to be quite bullish. I'm going to look here at some Grok tech stocks. AMD on Thursday had just a magnificent pop to the upside. Little pullback on Friday. AMZ, look at this. Look at Amazon. It's up, 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 and away. Guys, this is a parabolic move to the upside. Be ready to take some profits there. We do have earnings coming up, but it'd be interesting to see what earnings does because of COVID. My gut tells me more people were buying off of Amazon, so we might beat some estimates. That'd be interesting to see. Baba's on fire. Baidu's going up. Booking sideways, not sure. Cisco sideways, not sure. Catfish, big symmetrical triangle. Look for a move there. A look at eBay has been on fire. What a move eBay has had. Facebook, I'm not excited about it. Google finally. See how we went up to this trend line, we hung around, then we popped through. That's really good to see. Google with an L, same thing, blasted through this trend line. GoPro, just stay away from it, even though this could be ready to rally to the upside. Microsoft is taking a breather after it popped through the trend line. MU, big symmetrical triangle, look for that to move higher. Netflix had a big move on Friday. Earnings is coming up. Never hold on earnings. Earnings is going to be on July 16th. Netflix, big 8% move today. Huge. Must have been some news. Nvidia just going up. Oracle, everything's going up. PayPal, get ready to take profits on that one. Get ready to take Roku. Busted a big trend line, guys. Buy time on Roku. Shopify, big bullish pennant. A buy opportunity perhaps. Snap. Man, everything's buy. Tesla on Friday. There's the high base breakout, guys. Some of those of my Grok grads who've been through our program caught that. Congratulations on doing that. Tesla's just kicking people shorting the shorts in the mouth. But anyway, 3-day program. This is what you can expect. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We start around 9 a.m. Eastern, and we get done at 4 p.m. Pacific, or Eastern, 4 p.m. Eastern also. But listen, the faster you get in, the faster we'll get you the 201. So this is what you can expect. If you want to get in on this class coming up and you want more information on it, go to groktrade.com, click on the Trading Mentor, because we only do this 3 days out of 30. So only 10% of our time do we set aside for trading or for teaching traders how to trade. Only 3 days do we teach. The rest of the time is ours to do our stuff. Okay. This is what you can expect. If you get in on it, click the form, fill out the form. Okay. Click the link, fill out the form. When you fill out the form, if you fill out the top form, we're going to give you the Stock Picks V newsletter free for a year, okay? The top form. The other forms, they don't give you the same benefit. But the very top form, when you click on Trading Mentor, top form will give you, if you have a phone call with us, we'll give you a full year free of Stock Picks V newsletter. Pretty cool. I don't know how long I'll be doing that. But anyway, here's the deal. We have... you will be given 48 trading tutorials. You'll be given all the 101s. You'll get all of those, and you're going to get all the 201s. 48 lessons on how to trade. Those were developed to specifically help you as a trader. If you're coming from zero or you're highly trained, it'll help everybody get on the same page. The 201s, take that before the class. So you'll have all week to go through the 48 lessons. And then you're going to receive a book in the mail. You're receiving a lot of things. So in the class, when the class starts, you're going to be ready to rock and roll. It's a great setup. It's done online. We use Zoom. And how we keep our fees down, our tuition fees way down, is what we do is we do everything online, and 2, we make it into small groups so everybody carries the cost of tuition. That's what we do. And we found out the small groups, people prefer the small groups because you guys can talk together. So you're not on an island by yourself. When you learn together, you're like in the trenches together, and you become friends and buddies, and And I mean, we've made lifelong friends out of these trading groups. But then you'll be part of an exclusive Facebook group, and you guys can talk trading and shop and share what you're seeing or ask your questions. It's awesome. You're part of an ecosystem. So it's this coming weekend. You want to get in on that. And so anyway, what else do I need to share on that? Harvard University. If you have not heard, Harvard. Everybody's going to online. All their classes are online this year. Nobody's attending. What's interesting is they're still charging $50,000 a year. Makes you wonder. You know how back in the day we used to thumb our nose at internet degrees? Oh, you got your degree from Phoenix off the interweb. And I got thinking, man, that's short-sighted. Education is education, regardless if it's online or given in person. The information is what matters. It's the richness of that information. With what we have done, we got 14 years that I've been teaching. So I have 14 years of experience of putting what I've learned with all the students coming through to make the curriculum that we have today. That curriculum that we have is rock solid. I'd put it up against anybody's educational curriculum out there today, period. I'd put it up against anybody's. It's highly in tune. So anyway, I'm not sure if you're hanging out on this extended sales pitch at the end. So that my intention is not to sell it. My intention is to say, here's an opportunity. Join us if you'd like. So, but anyway, I don't know if you guys. Let me just say this, man. I keep running into people, and I'm talking like right now. We have, if you're an accredited investor, if you're interested in hanging out, knowing more about what I'm doing with the trading algorithm, it'd be worth your time to do. We're doing right now 57.33% per year. So I'll say it again. Our algorithm is back tested 7.5 years. We're doing over 50%. We're doing 57.33% per year net profit growth each year. Man, when you compound that out, it's insane. So, but now I'm trading it with my real money. It's live trading, and I'm up no less than 14%, no higher than 16. I need to get the exact number, but we'll just say 15%. I'm up 15% in 1 month. 1 month trading the algorithm. So, pretty excited about that. Kind of liking coming out of the gate so strong. So, anyway, I have to get my Series 65 to be able to trade other people's money. And I'm looking to trade accredited investors' money. And if you want on the short list, send me an email at des@groktrade.com. That's D as in Delta, E as in Echo, S as in State or Sierra, however you want to look at it. DES@groktrade.com. And just confirm for me you are an accredited investor. And be happy to keep you on our short list. Our short list is getting longer. There's 10 accredited investors right now. And yeah, happy to add you to that. But I've been talking to some of you guys I've not ever conversed with, and I found out you've been watching me for one of you guys over a decade, and we're just now conversing. That's amazing. Some of you guys who are listening right now, you're diehards, because normally if you don't have an interest in being taught or mentoring, you would have already closed out of the video, but yet you're still here listening. So that makes you quite special. But I just want to say that, man, the more and more I talk with you guys, the more and more I start to feel that, whoa, I feel you guys out there now. That's a weird statement. I don't know. I don't feel you, but it's like I'm starting to become more cognizant, more aware of the fact that you're out there, and I appreciate you. I appreciate you listening. I appreciate you being with me for years and years and years. And I hope to have the time. Like for example, when you guys do sign up when you come into the mentorship program, I do a welcome call where I'll call you up, and as it's great. I love the fact being able to be on the phone with you and talk with you and to be able to connect, right? You've always heard me talk, but now I get to hear you talk. Yeah, so it's good. It's therapeutic. It's healthy. It's just great. It's just wonderful, actually. Really love it. And if you don't know this, you can take the course and bring somebody with you free of charge. So it's 1+1. So there you have it. I'm just jabbering now. If you made it to the end, let me know you made it to the end. And for an accredited investor, I hope to hear from you. And for everybody else, I'll keep you in the loop on things as time goes on, but be looking at 2021 before I'll be set up officially to be able to manage people's money. So take care, guys. We'll see you later. Bye.